Hey guys, it's Sarah here from TravelAble, and today I'm here outside enjoying Arizona's gorgeous weather to tell you about my favorite travel tip. Always check the weather. As you can see, my hair is slightly blowing in the wind, and any day can go from this to that in just a few seconds. Are you going to be prepared when weather strikes? So why is weather so important that it has its own video? Well, let me tell you. Aidan hates rain, for instance. So when we went to Jamaica, it was supposed to rain all 3 days. But knowing that up front, he was able to prepare. He was able to bring his raincoat, he was able to get himself mentally psyched up. And that's why weather is most important to our family. Now for you, it might be that you don't want to get caught in a squall, or you might want to change your plans and reschedule certain tours for days when it's sunny as opposed to days when it's rainy. It might mean you need to bring the adventure wheels for your wheelchair as opposed to the standard ones.
Good morning. My name is Aidan Marshall, your meteorologist for today.
Why should you trust me? Well, I come from a long line of weathercasters. Not only does Aidan enjoy predicting the weather, but my mom used to be a weather person on TV. The thing is, weather can change from time to time, and it's hard to predict. Let me tell you a little story. So, we went to Disney World in November, like right after Thanksgiving, but before Christmas. And I checked the weather. The weather promised to be 70 degrees and sunny. Well, one day, we went to Magic Kingdom. We had dessert tickets on Tomorrowland Terrace, which if you are familiar with that, is open to the air. So we go over, we're sitting, it's nighttime, we're gonna watch the fireworks, and a storm front must have been coming through because it got bitterly cold. I'm talking like below 30, and we only had rain jackets on. So my husband had to run to the shops on Main Street and get sweatshirts. Well, guess what? Everyone else had the same idea because nobody checked the weather that day, and so all the sweatshirts were sold out. He was able to get us some gloves, some hats, and some sweatshirts, but really we didn't have a choice. It was whatever was in stock. People were just flocking to the stores to buy up all the sweatshirts and warm weather clothing. It was hilarious, but not hilarious because we were cold. It could have just been easily remedied by me checking the weather before we left.
Looking forward at the 5-day forecast. We are expecting drop-in temperatures with rain and scattered thunderstorms Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So make sure you have your umbrellas. And
that's all, folks.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss another video.